My name is Parthasarathy. I am the chairman of the CADD Center Group. I meet a lot of CEOs and I ask them what is their number one challenge. And almost invariably, the answer that I get is we don't get the right people. We are a country of 1.3 billion people. Don't you find it strange that we have to say that we don't get the right people? And I really believe that GST will, in some ways, solve that problem. India is poised for a spectacular growth in the next 10-20 years. We all know that. Every company, every entrepreneur, every businessman wants to participate in it. He wants to make sure that he can ride the wave. The traditional approach to preparing people has been to take somebody and give him the knowledge, give him the skills, and really hope that he gets into the good job. That is almost like looking for a needle in a haystack, isn't it? Our customers and the industry as a whole is constantly looking for people, both fresh and experienced. We asked, why don't we look at it from the demand side and maybe we can find some answers. You're running a company, be it large or small. You know for sure for the next 2 years or so what kind of people you need, when you need them, where you need them. Why don't you share that roadmap to us, and we will ensure that you have the right person at the right place, at the right time, just when you need. Today, knowledge is an overrated commodity in the job market. What do companies want? Companies want people who can deliver an expected result, an outcome, without really giving excuses. That really requires a lot of passion, the right skills, and a good attitude. Denmark has 5 million people. Sweden maybe has 9.5, 10 million people. Look at their productivity. What can we learn from them? If you really put the right people in the right jobs, doing the right things, can we not create 10 Denmarks, 10 Swedens? Why not with our population? Our business, our country, our economy, our people, we all have to grow. And we can do that by getting the right people in the right jobs. I truly believe in that. And I really think this is our time, our chance, and our opportunity.